in today's video, I'll show you how to clean or replace the main brush on MOVA V50 Ultra. To clean or replace the brush, the main one, you'll need to move the robot out of the station, of course, then flip it over. Now you'll see the main brushes being here. There's actually two of them, and once you squeeze on these two buttons together, you can open the cover, so you can now remove the brush. Now the brushes are look like that. You can remove the hair by using a knife or scissors, or not if you don't want to, if you don't need to remove them. You can also rinse the brush with water, but make sure that before you put it back in, you let it air dry for at least 24 hours to prevent mold. Because if you put wet ones inside, then it may cause mold, which you'd likely want to prevent. Or you can just use a brush, a soft brush or whatever, to clean it manually. To put it back in, you can see there's the gray and the orange part. The orange part needs to go into the orange hole and the gray part into the gray hole. So just do it like that. Okay, I think it's technically in. Not really. It's not that easy because of the shape of the holes. It doesn't want to go in. Okay, now it's there. Let's close the door. You can see there are these notches that should go towards the front of the robot, and that's what you should put in first. Then the part of the buttons, which should go towards the back of the robot, you should click it in as the second thing. And now you can put the robot back. You can put it into its charging base, of course. I'll do it automatically because
returning to the dock.
Yeah. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.